Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Flexxbuy. Now Flexxbuy actually rates giving you a easy one application multi-lender customer financing platform. What this means is that with Flexxbuy your business gets paid in as little as 24 hours with absolutely no fix. So Flexxbuy design a buy now pay later solution that fits your business so you can stop leaving sales on the table. So they have an everyone's approved program. Now you may wonder why should you choose Flexxbuy? Yeah, because you can discover the power of selling payments over price, financing of all credit situations for 100% approval programs available. Allow your customers to buy now, pay later, financing from a few $100s up to $100,000. Interest rates starting at 5.9% with terms up to 144 months. So no long-term contract or cancellation fees, instant decisions and fast funding. Programs that fund your business directly and offers 0% promotions, complete transactions at the point of sale. You want to learn more? Click here. No percent of great things about it. It's excellent, quick and easy, and so much more. So it can be used by retail consumer financing, patient financing, veterinary financing, also repair consumer, attorney fee and retainer, consultants and coaches, funeral customer financing, home improvement, harvest no credit listing, education training, travel, recreation and hospitality, tax relief financing. So let Flexxbuy help you grow your business with easy customer financing. Enroll now.